Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The king of reggae, Bob Marley, is highly ranked on the Forbes magazine's list of top earning dead celebrities for this year. The Natural Mystic singer secured the number 5 spot after earning $23 million. Topping the list for the 5th straight year is, of course, the king of pop, Michael Jackson, who cashed in at $75 million. The Doctor Goes Lecturing. Dancehall king Beanie Man recently made a visit to the University of Technology to give a lecture to students in the performing arts. The Grammy Award winner enlightened students on what the business of entertainment really looks like. Take a listen.
Entertainment is not a serious thing. When you entertain people, they're supposed to feel good in the arm, man. So while them a jump, they're supposed to can't stop and laugh too. So you're supposed to can't have a partner to people laugh. You see me a dance here though. To look funny, people just laugh. You understand? Right in a dance, you do your boss and everybody will go with you. Clap or rock or something. You have to get them and do something.
International recording artist Sean Paul has teamed up with fast-rising dancehall star Shenseea for a highly anticipated music video release for their track Rolling. Dancehall fans can expect an interesting and entertaining piece from the two. Rolling was shot and directed by Eruption and the RD Studios team. The SP Rolling Europe tour is on its way, and Shenseea, along with Ching Ching, will join Sean Paul for performances in Manchester, Birmingham, London, France, Luxembourg, Germany, the Netherlands and Denmark through the month of November. A man of the soil, reggae artist Papa D is creating a musical offering of positive, uplifting, deep-rooted reggae music. The artist, having shared the main stage with some of the biggest names in the industry, is now focused on strengthening his brand locally.
Jamaicans and Papa D, a lot of people know me from the 6th Revelation.